Yes, hi everyone.
I can share your screen right now.
Okay, give me 1 second. Share. Okay. Are you guys seeing the PowerPoint? Okay.
Yes, I can see your screen. So
Okay.
7 minutes for pitching is start now.
Okay. Okay. Hi everyone. My name is Luke. I'm the CEO and founder of Meta, and thank you guys for having us for the pitching event. So we're here to present you Meta, our Metaverse super app, and I have with me Celine, our partnership manager. So, our vision for Warrior Meta is to integrate the metaverse into the activities of everyday life through our Metaverse Super App. And we aim to craft a dynamic world that belongs to each and every individual through decentralization. So, with our dedication to metaverse transformation, we specialize in assisting enterprises, institutions, members to transcend boundaries, enabling them to extend operations, products, and services into the vibrant tapestry of the Warrior Meta platform. Okay, so according to a McKinsey market research, metaverse opportunities is expected to reach 5 trillion USD by year 2030. And we all know that metaverse is the next biggest technological revolution that our world is having. So, what is Warren Meta trying to build? What are we building? So we aim to redefine the way that we live with our Metaverse Super App. And here we're introducing a groundbreaking platform that blends the captivating allure of an MMORPG as well as the tangible benefits, including utilities and productivity features. This combination creates a metaverse that can become an integral part of everybody's life, enriching experience, enhancing connections, and reshaping our day-to-day activities. So from this slide over here, you can see some of the features that we are highlighting in our metaverse. Starting from the top left, the Warrior Meta, so basically the Warrior Meta workflow and educational management app is on the first one, and this is our productivity tool that provides the utility features for employees to perform their work efficiently, employers to track and manage the team activities with ease, for students to organize their assignments, and professors to design their course materials, and many more. So in our metaverse, each character will also be assigned an AI assistant that integrates with OpenAI. And then this AI assistant can help them with tasks, researches, as well as our in-game quests. In our Warrior Meta platform, we also...
Did you move slide?
Sorry?
Did you move your slide?
Which slide are you guys seeing right now, by the way? You're able to see that I'm pointing to... Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is the slide that I'm presenting actually. So, with the third one over here is basically our decentralized gamified content, whereby we encourage developers to actually come into our Warrior Meta platform to create their own mini games, like a shooting game as well as racing game. So this racing game itself is actually created by one of our decentralized developers. Over here, you can see basically the office for Warrior Meta, and we also have a shopping mall. This is for merchants to allow working in metaverse as well as to sell their products and services through the metaverse commerce. Our metaverse is built on Unreal Engine, and definitely it's supported by the cloud GPU partners to ensure quality. Last but not least, we also have metaverse events, movies, and concerts, and many more. Okay, next I will have Celine to basically go through with us about the metaverse flow.
Thank you, Luke. So our Warrior Meta Super App communities are categorized into two different major groups, user and merchants. User can become merchants and merchants can also be users. Let's take a look from the merchant's perspective. Merchants are those who want to reach our community. As long as they onboard, they can set up, design, and customize their own store. Then, they can sell and advertise their own digital or physical products and services through our Warrior Meta platform. Moreover, merchants can help their employees work in our World Meta to help manage their business. And also they can accompany with us in designing advertising quests for users to give out rewards, which help them marketing their brand and to gain transaction within World Meta. On transaction tax and revenue generated through each channel will also be split according to tokenomics percentage. From the user perspective, user can choose the free-to-play mode where they can still accept the features they need and enjoy the game content. As soon as they purchase the NFT passport, they will unlock staking and play-to-earn feature and many premium content and digital assets in the metaverse. Like one of our key feature of play-to-earn is that we support mining credits through questioning or missions. The quests are designed by merchants and also from ours. At completion of missions, players get the rewards from the reward pool. Then they can use the credit to purchase from the World Meta store or from the merchants. Users can also use the credits to set up their own office or store to become a merchant who provides product and service to other users. So here's the concept design for World Meta NFT business certificate and also NFT passport. You can take a look. So we are planning to do our token launch called World Meta Dollar. Total supply is $21 million tokens, which can be used for utility features and play-to-earn rewards. As you see, this is some of the token utility features such as partnership onboarding, incentive for user, governance rights, staking rewards, and access to exclusive feature. As you know, tokenomics and sustainability is quite a huge topic, right? So if you want to know more about the tokenomics design, we will welcome you to schedule an appointment with us through the host, and we will discuss more. So about our plan, we are now at the Q3 of 2023, and we are getting ready for our alpha testing in our development process. We are expecting to have a full launch of World Meta Phoenix University in Q1 of 2024. Right now, we are actively building our community from the merchants and users side through various marketing campaigns and partnership onboarding. So thank you so much for your attention. After you receive our deck from the host, you can check out our demo video to have a clearer understanding of our project. Thank you.
Okay, here. So now is 6 of the Q&A part.
Yes, if you guys have any questions, you can feel free to let us know.
So our investor is chatting. Can you see?
Is it in the chat? One second. Oh, okay, I've seen some questions from here. Give me 1 second.
Okay, so the Q&A part is start. So you can feel free to ask our project question, or you can turn on your mic or type in the chat box. I can see Philip from SVB Venture e-typing.
Yes. For the link, it will be included in our deck, and I think it will be shared through our host, the Web3 from Web3 Space. So you guys will have a copy of the link. Don't worry about it. Yeah. Okay, so to answer Philip's question, for our metaverse, we are actually building through 3 different quality barriers. So one of them is the mobile on the mobile device. The second one is on the web portal. The third one is through computer programming, so through computer software. So it's a downloadable software through computer itself. And in regarding to the minimum hardware requirement wise, for different devices, there will be different requirement. And of course, you can downrun for the previous one as well. Our cloud server is actually a GPU supported cloud server, meaning to say users who are running the War and Meta platform, running the War and Meta app will be able to doesn't have as much hardware constraints as you would think from the computer perspective, from the hardware perspective. If that answers your question, yeah. To answer Rohit's question from Polygon Lab, so with what we're building right now, the initial focus for our project-wise, he asked, do we have the worry that focusing on so many areas together, gaming, commerce, education, how do you plan to prioritize your GTM? So to answer your question, the initial thought for the War and Meta platform is that we are creating a living app, meaning to say we're creating a living game, meaning to say the main focus of the app itself is on the MMORPG part, is on the game part. And throughout the game, there's different focuses. In terms of focus-wise, it's basically all individual smaller pieces of fragments that's been fitted into the puzzle in the MMORPG itself. Meaning to say, it's basically different features that's built within the Metaverse Super App. So all this are basically just added features to make our world more vibrant as well as more unique. The main focus is still on the gaming part, the MMORPG part. Okay, for our dev team, to answer Philip's question, for our dev team, right now I have about 10 dev in China, Shenzhen. I have a team of, basically I just recently hired a dev in Vietnam, in Ho Chi Minh as well. And I'm actually aiming to expand the Ho Chi Minh tech team to somewhere around 10 people as well. So this is basically our dev and BD dev team. Then in terms of BD team right now, it's more in terms of just me, Celine, as well as some of the partners out there who's helping us to do the BD functions. And we are more focused in Ho Chi Minh City. I do have some BD partners in Singapore as well. I myself is from Singapore, so we have some co-founders in Singapore helping us to do the BD over there. Also, P2E in the last run didn't really work. Cost tokenomics has kind of broken. What's your plan in creating thriving economy? Okay, so to answer your question, Rohit, on the tokenomics part, this is actually a very huge topic by itself. We did actually manage to come up with a model that's not only relying on new users acquisition. Initially, we will have a base user that's starting from education. So from the presentation just now, I mentioned that our very first focus of metaverse transformation is through education. So our base community will be through education, and all the students in the education side will be our base community. And through there, we are basically circulating the tokens and circulating the activities within the metaverse. We focus on using the activities to answer the questions to the sustainability in the play to earn structure. And
okay.
Yeah.
So thumbs up. Thank you, Luke, for your great speaking. Thank you, War Meta. And now you can do the waiting room right now.
Okay, thank you so much. Yeah, I hope that answers your question just now. Yeah.